Latest test update: Bayraktar TB3 and KEMANKEŞ mini cruise missile bow and arrow. The latest test of the Bayraktar TB3 UCAV showcased its advanced strike capabilities with the KEMANKEŞ AI-powered mini cruise missile. Small blue diamond test highlights: white heavy checkmark maximum flight and dive test successfully completed. White heavy checkmark AI guided precision targeting demonstrated. White heavy checkmark seamless integration with Bayraktar TB3. This marks another milestone in Turkey's cutting-edge defense technology, reinforcing autonomous precision strikes and next-gen UAV capabilities.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.